Then they would see everything there is to see on Sodor. Thomas was cross. I can show them all the sights just as quickly as you can, he whistled. Just you wait and see. Thomas heard passenger car doors slam. Everyone's on board, he thought, and he jumped away as quickly as he could. So much to see, so much to see. Let's get a move on. Count on me. Then there was trouble. Thomas had left some of the visitors behind. Later, Thomas had to wait in a signal. Bertie the bus. He had picked up the visitors Thomas had left behind. Bertie honked his horn, but the signal had changed, and Thomas puffed away. Thomas was in a hurry. Billy, tank engine, thought Bertie. I will have to chase after you.